If you've been diving into the world of AI-generated animation, then you already know one of the most frustrating challenges: keeping your characters consistent throughout an entire video. It's a puzzle that many creators face. Traditionally, you'd have to generate individual character images, design multiple unique scenes, and then manually piece everything together in an AI video editor or animation software. It's not just time-consuming, it's mentally exhausting and creatively limiting. And for those who are new to animation, the learning curve can feel almost impossible to climb. But what if there was a way to eliminate that friction entirely? What if you could streamline the entire process? Character creation, storyboarding, scene generation, voiceover, and animation, all in one single platform. Sounds like a dream, right? But this is no longer just a fantasy. There's now a tool that brings all of those features under one roof. Let's talk about a groundbreaking platform that does the heavy lifting for you and gives you back what matters most: your creative freedom. Introducing Animate AI, a powerful all-in-one AI video creation tool designed for storytellers, marketers, creators, and dreamers alike. This platform doesn't just assist with animation, it redefines how animated content is made. Once you land on their website, you're instantly greeted with a library of example videos that highlight what this tool can do. And let's be honest, first impressions matter, and these visuals, they don't disappoint. The interface feels smooth, and the results speak for themselves. Hover over the Showcase section, and you'll find several curated categories: AI animation, AI story, movie trailer AI, motivational story, kids bedtime story AI, and even relaxing lo-fi music clips, all animated by the same AI engine. Each category demonstrates just how versatile and powerful Animate AI really is. Whether you're crafting a whimsical bedtime tale, a cinematic trailer, or a motivational reel, this tool adapts to your style and vision. Click into any of these examples and prepare to be impressed. The quality of animation rivals what you'd expect from major studios. Character movement is fluid, expressions are consistent, scenes feel unified. There's no jarring shift in style or tone between frames, a common issue in many AI animation tools. Instead, you get a polished, cohesive visual narrative that feels like a professionally produced film. And that's just scratching the surface. Let's dig into the core features that make Animate AI such a game changer. First and foremost is its AI consistent character generator. Unlike platforms that require you to recreate your character for every scene, Animate AI ensures that once a character is generated, their design, outfit, and style remain consistent from the beginning of your video to the end. This alone saves creators hours of tedious rework and helps maintain the visual continuity necessary for audience immersion. Next is the AI storyboard generator, which lets you visually map out your entire story before generating the full video. It's a godsend for anyone who likes to plan ahead or needs to pitch an idea with visuals. Then, there's the full video generator workflow, an end-to-end system that includes writing, storyboarding, animating, voicing, and enhancing, all inside the same ecosystem. This isn't just convenient, it's revolutionary. It turns content creation into a seamless creative flow rather than a frustrating juggling act between tools. You also get access to AI model integration, including some of the leading names in the industry, like Kling, AI One, and Minimax. These models work behind the scenes to power your animations, generate visual realism, and refine motion with cinematic accuracy. Speaking of refining, Animate AI includes a built-in AI video enhancer, which polishes your output, sharpens edges, enhances resolution, and boosts overall clarity. This means you don't need to export and run your video through additional enhancement software. But perhaps the most impressive feature of all is its autopilot mode. Just input a text prompt. Anything from a child discovering a hidden galaxy in his backyard to a young girl overcoming stage fright, and the platform takes care of the rest. It creates the story, generates the characters, builds the scenes, animates the transitions, and even adds voiceover if needed. You're free to focus on the vision while Animate AI handles the execution. Want to get started? Just click Get Started for free and dive right into the platform's interface. Once inside, click on Settings to access advanced controls. These give you creative freedom over things like scene count. Choose how many scenes your video will have. Start with 5, expand from there. Video duration ranges from 5 to 10 seconds per scene, with longer options on the roadmap. Animation style. Switch between Pixar, Disney, anime, or other signature aesthetics. Aspect ratio. Default is 16:9, perfect for YouTube, but customization is coming. Resolution is set at 720p by default, ideal for fast rendering, with 1080p and higher options expected in future updates. Text generation is powered by top-tier AI language models, including GPT-4, Gemini, and Claude 3.0 3.5. You can even use GPT-4 Turbo, known for speed and storytelling, for tighter, more creative narratives. Video generation itself integrates models like Minimax, Runway, Luma, and Kling, all optimized for cinematic storytelling. Minimax is the default engine and it performs impressively well across most prompts. Need voiceovers? Animate AI has you covered. Choose from a library of AI-generated male and female voices, all powered by 11 Labs, one of the most respected names in AI voice tech. Just toggle the voiceover setting on, and the AI automatically syncs dialogue to your character's expressions. Let's test it out. Imagine entering this prompt: an influencer's journey from struggling to becoming a famous actor. Enable auto mode and hit generate. Within minutes, the AI crafts a complete storyline. It builds your main character, say Alex, generates facial expressions, defines the journey's arc, and brings it to life with fully animated scenes. For instance, Alex's unexpected tumble into a fountain goes viral. What begins as humiliation quickly becomes a comedic sensation. Riding this wave of attention, Alex leans into his authenticity, turning awkward moments into an art form. Eventually, his courage, humor, and vulnerability lead him to red carpets and flashing cameras. A full circle transformation. Every scene transitions smoothly. Character consistency is perfect. Alex's hair, clothing, and facial features remain intact from start to finish. You'll see the same style and tone throughout, proving the tool's ability to maintain a singular creative vision. And if something doesn't look quite right, you're not locked in. Simply disable auto mode and switch to manual mode, where you can input custom scene prompts, adjust transitions, and fine-tune every detail. Manual mode gives you full editorial control, ideal for creators with a very specific vision. But here's the real beauty. Even in auto mode, the quality is surprisingly high. The AI doesn't just throw together scenes, it understands narrative structure. It creates logical progression, emotional beats, and visual continuity, drastically reducing the time it would normally take to produce something similar. You can also browse user-generated content within the platform, watch, download, or draw inspiration from what others have made. But take note, it's always best to create your own original videos to avoid any copyright concerns. Use existing examples as creative references, not as templates to copy. Currently, Animate AI is still in beta, which means some features are being refined and others are being rolled out incrementally. But even in its current state, the tool offers immense value and usability. And for those who want even more features, advanced export options, and premium tools, there's also a paid version available. Whether you're a content creator, educator, filmmaker, or entrepreneur, Animate AI opens up new possibilities that previously required a team of designers, animators, and editors. Now you can create impressive animated stories solo, within minutes. Have questions about prompts, editing, or how to integrate the tool into your content strategy? Drop them in the comments. I'll be happy to help. That's it for today. Until next time, keep creating, keep exploring, and remember, with tools like Animate AI, the only limit is your imagination.